Hi, students. Ms. Miles here. Thank you for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom today. I have an important lesson planned about an essential kit we all need to have within our homes, schools, and vehicles. Any idea what that kit might be? It's a first aid kit. This lesson will explain why we need a first aid kit, as well as explain why each item in the first aid kit is an essential tool. Let's get started. Why do we need a first aid kit? A first aid kit is like a superhero's toolbox. It helps us take care of small injuries, like cuts, scrapes, and bumps, so we can feel better quickly. If someone gets hurt, we don't have to wait. We can use the first aid kit to help them right away. Every first aid kit has essential items in it. These items may vary from first aid kit to first aid kit. Here's why each item is important. Gloves. Medical gloves. These keep our hands clean and stop germs from spreading when we help someone who is bleeding or has a cut. Scissors. Scissors are used to cut bandages, tape, or even clothing if we need to get to a wound. Cold compress. Cold compress helps reduce swelling and soothes pain when you get a bump or bruise. Tweezers. Tweezers are great for picking out tiny things like splinters or bee stingers that can get stuck in your skin. First aid tape. This kind of tape helps hold bandages in place so they don't fall off when you move around. Cotton swabs. Cotton swabs are used to gently apply medicine to small cuts or clean around an injury. Bandage wrap. This wrap helps cover and protect bigger cuts or sore areas on your body. Alcohol pads. These pads clean a cut or scrape to stop germs from getting in and causing an infection. Cotton balls. Cotton balls can be used to clean wounds, stop bleeding, or apply medicine. Band-aids. Band-aids are perfect for covering small cuts and scrapes so they stay clean and heal faster. Having a first aid kit means we're always ready to help ourselves and others if someone gets a little boo-boo. It's like having a little safety superhero ready to jump into action. There you have it, students. You've just learned why we need a first aid kit, what's usually inside one, and why each item is important. The key takeaway from this lesson is that a first aid kit is like a mini toolbox filled with supplies to help us take care of small injuries, cuts, and bruises, either for ourselves or for others. It's always a good idea to have one on hand. Check to see if you have a first aid kit at home. If not, it's time to get one. Also, look around your classroom. If there isn't a first aid kit, ask for one to be added. And don't forget your vehicle. Having a first aid kit in your car is just as important because you never know when or where an injury might happen. Why wait for help when you can be prepared to give it? I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, because you stopped by the Miles Ahead classroom, you're already miles ahead. Until next time, students.